All them bitches, niggas really be on cock though. Just fucked a hoe out in France, paint her face like Picasso. I iced out my vatos, I'm really a big ass Beamer, big bands and my Bentley necks.
What's good, YouTube? You already know, man. It's your boy Breon, and I'm coming back with y'all with another lit reaction, man. Before I get into the reaction today, man, I just wanted to take the time out to tell each and every last one of everybody who subscribed to this YouTube channel, I really appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart, man. You know, I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop throwing these lit reactions at y'all, man. But besides that, the reaction I'm gonna do today is actually gonna be Haha Davis, When You Missed the Garbage Truck. With no further ado, man, let's get into it. Hey, it really be like that though.
Call for the God Trash, you never tell her to run your ass off. You stupid.
And he dropping trash all in the street too. No.
Garbage man. One big dog. Let the garbage truck pick you up. Keep because you trash and everything you do.
Hey, he is not gonna make it to that garbage truck. I'm so asleep. And he's doing a full-out sprint too. Oh my God, that garbage truck leaving his ass. Oh my God, man. Hey, but that's it for this video, man. If y'all like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, man, because you know we stay lit.
From the D to the A, put respect on it. If that's your hoe on my dick, got a mouth on it. I'm from the South, I got diamonds in my teeth. I got fur on my fleece, my new ring to pay your lease, nigga. Chain on my dresser next to my indictment.